5, 4. Beep. Loop is live, drivers, loop is live. All right, we are racing. 4 trucks on the track here. Nice little tight group. Check out that pink one. That's John Kay with that beautiful pink body. We got Tim Paris in the yellow and white, John Kay in the pink. Oh, Ralph getting up into the not so stinky part of the track. Don't do that, don't do that. There you go, that's better. Ralph, of course, in the blue and white. Shark in his signature number 57 machine. Custom paint job, looking very nice. Can't miss that shark fin on the back. Right now it is Tim Paris up front on a better than TQ pace right now, trying to knock Lepley off that top spot. Lepley in the 2 right here. Only 6/10 back. We got John Kay in the 3, 1/10 behind Lepley. That's right, top 3, 7/10 total apart. And then Shark only 3/10 behind there, so top 4, a second. Oh, never mind, John Kay is off the track. So top 3 going to be all within 1 second here. And then there's John Kay. So John dropping down to 4th right now. It's Lepley taking over that top spot. He said, no way, Tim, you ain't getting that TQ. I'm going to break it myself. So now it's Ralph up front, Tim in the 2 spot, Shark in the 3. Lepley up front, Shark in the 2, Paris in the 3, John Kay in the 4. Coming up on 2 down, 2 to go. Lepley now still, let's see, a full lap over TQ right now. Also, fast truck on the track, 4.862. Paris is going to be, let's see, oh, looks like, wow, Ralph is on fire right now. Paris is going to be a full lap down on the clock. Shark, though, in that 3 spot, 7/10 behind Paris. Now 3.2. So a bad lap right there from Shark. Going to cost him about 3 seconds in that battle for second right there. 1:30 left on the clock, drivers. Up next, race 9. Street Stock. Jay Boogie, Dismute, Anthony, and Tim Paris. You guys are up next. Guys, this is round 1 of our summer series, so we are racing for points here. TQ counts as 1 bonus point. And those TQ points add up, trust me. Got an awesome turnout, beautiful warm day out here in Antioch, as usual. Shark and Ralph doing some racing right here. Wheel to wheel down the front straightaway. See if Shark can't hang with the leader. Tim in that 2 spot right now. Shark in the 3. 1.7 back is Shark, so he's made up some time on Tim here. Let's keep an eye on that battle between Tim and Shark now. 1.8 seconds back. Here it comes. Shark across the line. Going to be 1.6 seconds right now. So Shark making up a couple tenths on that last lap there. Fast car, fast truck on the track still. Ralph on lap 17, 4.862. Caddy a 4.98. Tim a 5 flat, Shark a 5 flat.
Car 1 is done. Car 4 is done.
Everyone keep going until I call the race. Tub drivers.
Car 2 is done.
And that is a race. Rob Lepley taking a win right there with a 47, 4 flat. That's a new TQ by a lap and a half right there. No cars on the track, please. No more cars on the track. We're going to wait 1 minute till this next race gets going. Tim Paris in the 2, Shark in the 3, John Kay in the 4. Nicely done, drivers. So Lepley taking a win right there. New TQ. Awesome job.